hard earlier.
Yeah, he is. But I'm too close. I can't see where you are. Yeah, he's humping. Beach blankets, let's party. And you just go, ooh, ooh, that tickles.
Are you sure this is how you apply the suntan lotion?
That's where that goes. That's not where that goes.
There's a flight.
Oh, what is that? Oh, it's a ladybug. Look, I will kill you.
Oh, I like ladybugs. They're so cute. No, those are the redheads. They land on the
Redheads?
Or greenheads. What are they?
Greenheads.
Gingerheads.
Huh? The what? The ginger kids.
Sweetie, you made it go down a lot.
You what? Made it go down.
Here comes a big buck there.
Yeah.
I think it's a bear. I can't really tell.